Hi guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today I'm sharing 4 different snack boxes. These snack boxes are inspired by the ones at Starbucks, otherwise known as Bistro boxes. Now if it's your first time here, welcome. If you enjoy this video, I encourage you to subscribe and go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Now, if you've never tried a Bistro box from Starbucks, it's basically like a great solution for when you're on the go and you want something a little bit healthier. So it's kind of like a light lunch, kind of like a snack, somewhere in between. They're usually low calorie and they typically include vegetables, fruits, and proteins like nuts and cheeses. For our first Bistro box, I'm going to start by adding a little bit of low-fat cottage cheese, followed by lots of fruit, a combination of strawberries and blueberries. Whoops, that blueberry tried to jump right out. Next, in a separate container, I'm going to add 1 hard-boiled egg. Now I have to admit I overcooked these hard-boiled eggs just a bit, but that's going to be fine. To go along with that, I'm also going to add a little tangerine and then a handful of mixed nuts. Now this snack box would even work for my husband because it's completely gluten-free. For our snack box number 2, I'm going to add lots of grapes. And in this little container, I'm going to add my hard-boiled egg. This one's cooked a little bit better this time. I'm going to add a little bit of salt on there. Then I'm going to add a few different containers to keep things separate. This one's going to have some celery, and then in this one I'm adding a light Baby Bell cheese. To go along with the celery, I'm also going to add a little bit of natural peanut butter. In snack box number 3, I'm starting with lots of cucumbers. I love cucumbers, they are so yummy and crunchy and refreshing. I'm also going to add some whole wheat crackers, and then over here I have a little meat and cheese stick. I just have some Colby Jack cheese and some deli ham. I rolled it up and stuck it on a pick. For our fruit, I'm just going to add in a banana. And now for snack box number 4. I'm going to start by adding a meat and pepperoni stick. This is turkey pepperoni with pepper jack cheese. It's nice and spicy. In this corner, I'm going to add some fruit. It's going to be a mixture of strawberries and kiwis. Kiwis have so much vitamin C, and so do strawberries. In this little container, I'm going to put some hummus. This is just regular garlic hummus. And then I'm going to put lots of things to dip in, like some mini bell peppers, some more cucumbers, and some little pieces of pita bread. Okay guys, I hope that gives you some great ideas on some DIY Bistro boxes that you can make yourself. These are really easy to make, and none of these things have to be reheated, so they're perfect for on the go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.